Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So as requested, we're going to be taking a look at some ways that you can style your shorter hair. So if you've been thinking of some new ways you can kind of shake up your boring strands, this video is for you. Here we have someone doing a cute half up, half down style. She does have a nice little bob haircut. And then we have a few styling options for the girls that have the wolf cut. So she's adding 2 braids here, one on each side. And then we got a half up, half down style with a claw clip. Very cute. This is like very 90s vibe, that style. And then we got 2 braids, one on each side in the bang area. Very cute. Alright, so next up we have someone else rocking the wolf cut trend. I love how she has like this really pretty split dye. One side is like pastel colors and the other side is black. So she did 2 buns here. And then we have someone with this really pretty orange ginger copper colored hair. So she's using the flat iron and adding in some curls. So she's actually under curling the hair and then doing a pen curl. And I think that this is just going to add like a nice bit of volume to the hair. You could wear this out as a style too if you really wanted to. Oh wow, that's a nice little hack. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these styles, please be sure to like today's video, hit that subscribe button. Here we have someone also playing around with a claw clip. Oh, I think she's just using that in order to keep her hair sectioned. And then she's doing a blowout here. I've never seen that before, but they have the rotating brush. That's pretty cool. So that blow dryer is really creating a nice blowout for her. You can see how volumized her bangs look. And then next up we have someone rocking a bob. Pigtails with the curls. So we have a very tiny, thin curling wand here. She places the hair in 2 pigtails, curls the hair. I love her makeup, so pretty. You guys know I'm random, so I just gotta speak my mind. Oh, this is such a cute style. So she ended up doing 2 mini buns, bangs in the front. And then we have someone else styling a bob. Bubble braids. Maddie inspired style from Euphoria. Very 90s inspired. Claw clip. Another 90s look. And then the snap kit. So pretty much all these styles she did were 90s. So here we have someone with a micro bob. And if you guys are looking for some more ways to style your short hair, I do have quite a few videos with styling options, so be sure to check those out. So she's using mousse in order to kind of slick her hair back. going in with gel and toothbrush. And creating more of like finger waves. Oh, that's cute. Alright you guys, I hope you did enjoy today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you next time.